During this segment, I want to show you how to navigate to the service alarm mode, and that while I'm there, I'm going to show you how you can tell where you're at in the cycle on either time or gallons and how you can reset it prior to the trigger of the alarm. So let's start by how to navigate to the service alarm. The service alarm is the last mode when you are in the level 1 programming. So let's go into level 1 programming, which is pushing the next and the down button, and refer to your guides on how to do this if you're not familiar. Once we're in level 1 programming, we can advance screens until we get to the service alarm screen, which comes just after the relay screens. And we've arrived at the service alarm, so this is how we get into it to set it. Now on this screen it's currently saying both. This will allow me to demonstrate how you can set it to either being off, on time, on gallons, or both. Both refers to both time and gallons. So that's the example we're going to use here. If you choose both and then you press next, it allows you to first set the period of time, and you can set that based on quarters of a year in segments. And then after you set the time, it allows you to set the gallons. And you can set a gallon range to trip the service alarm after that number of gallons has been reached. Now as you push next, it allows you to choose a custom display or a normal display. Now I'm going to give you a brief explanation here, but it's extremely important that you refer to the guide so that you know how to use this. If you pick a normal display and there is no dealer information entered in the valve, it has a standard message that it will display on the service alarm. If you choose normal and there is dealer information entered in the valve, that dealer information will come up when the service alarm is tripped. But if you choose custom, it allows you to put in a very specific message that you're using the service alarm for. Please refer to the bulletin so that you'll see how to set a custom message once you choose this. Now we'll choose next, and the next thing you see is that it will tell you how many days are left in the cycle on time, and then how many gallons are left in the cycle on capacity. Now this is important because this is where you can reset an alarm prior to the trip of the alarm. Now I happen to set this on 100 gallons because we were going to cheat the system so we could get a rapid service alarm, which we just showed you in the last segment. So now I went through and I see that it says that service is due in 83 gallons, but I know that the service alarm setting is higher than that. So at any point in time while I'm viewing the time or the gallons remaining, I can push the up and the down arrows, and I will reset that to its original setting. So as it went back to 100 gallons, we're there. And then I hit next, and I've escaped the programming mode. I would like to go over again that please refer to the technical bulletin for step-by-step instructions. Just be aware that you can have multiple settings, gallons or capacity, or a custom message or a standard message to use the service alarm as a better tool to help you and your customers keep your systems up to date.